Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate always on display on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, with always on display activated, you don't need to unlock your device or wake the screen to check the time or see if you have any notifications. It saves you time, especially for quick glances. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open settings menu on your device. Well, after that, scroll down and select lock screen and AOD option. Well, so here find out always on display and then turn it on like this. Well, that's the tutorial on how to activate always on display on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.